Hi, I'm Joe with the Bath and Kitchen Gallery. Today I want to go over with you the importance of picking out your appliances before you start your remodeling process. This location is a perfect example of the importance of picking out your appliances before you start your remodeling process. At this location, this refrigerator is going to need the power and the water located within 12 inches off the floor. If you don't pick your appliances out before the job starts, you would never know to put the power and the water in this location. At the end of the job, you'd go to install your refrigerator and you'd probably have to bust open the drywall to get these parts moved. For more tips and information, go to tampakitchenandbath.com and also visit our social media.